Ultra Custom Coiled Aviator USB-C cable in premium pink. Designed for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals. This premium cable combines outstanding durability with a stylish custom look. Featuring a high-quality double-sleeve design, a detachable metal aviator connector, and a flexible coiled section. It delivers reliable performance while keeping your workspace clean and organized. The cable measures 1.8 meters, 6 feet, providing ample length for comfortable cable routing without sacrificing desk aesthetics. Its premium USB-A to USB-C connection ensures stable data transfer and consistent power delivery, making it compatible with most USB-C mechanical keyboards. Whether you're building a custom gaming setup, upgrading your mechanical keyboard, or looking for the perfect desk accessory, the PWNAGE Ultra Custom Coiled Cable offers both functionality and premium craftsmanship. Key features: premium double-sleeve design, durable double-layer sleeving provides extra protection against daily wear while giving the cable a premium custom appearance. Detachable metal aviator connector. High-quality metal aviator connector allows quick cable disconnection and adds a professional, custom keyboard aesthetic. Flexible coiled section maintains a neat desk setup while offering flexibility and reducing cable clutter. 1.8 meter total length.